Hi, I'm Robert from Comfort Zone Heating and Air, owner and operator. Today we're going to do a humidifier maintenance. We got a Honeywell humidifier here. We're going to go right to this. There's a screw on the bottom. Unscrew that, lift up, pull straight off. You can see this maintenance really needs to be done by the looks of this pad. This pops out very easily. Lift up, it comes right out. There's a water hose here. Water goes down through this section of the trap here and trickles down here, and your blower system puts it through the duct system. So you don't get that dried out feeling when your heat is on, which we highly recommend it. If you don't have one, we can install one for you. Okay. Pop this section off here. That pad slides right out. We only recommend Honeywell pads for a Honeywell unit. This slides right in the top. This is going to snap right in. Same as on the other side. Snaps in. Make sure it's all the way in. Then, the most important part, don't forget your water hose. There's a little hose bar fitting right here. That's going to push that on there. Make sure it's all the way pressed in. This bottom piece here is going to go into this hose. We're in. Hose is in. Just give that a tug. That's in securely. Place the top on. Last important part here, there's a setting on your humidifier which says summer and winter. Take it out of summer mode, put it in the winter mode, and this is going to conclude our video on humidifier maintenance. Thank you.